All right, good morning, Cyber Traders. Let me get a little hello, see if everybody can hear loud and clear. Good to see you, Brad. Good to see everyone. Good morning, everybody. All right, welcome on this lovely Tuesday. Getting a little bit of a rally. It looks like we're getting on this little stock right here, this LRHC. Hopefully, we're going to have a little fun with that. That looked like a nice little cheap little stock making a nice little move. But anyway, the big news was what we traded yesterday. Holy crap. What happened with this stock MLGO? Let me just bring this up really quick. MLGO. All right. So let me just bring up this intraday chart from yesterday. So, Mondays are always hard, because you come back from the weekend, summertime, wasn't a big list in the morning. But this MLGO yesterday, I think, if you subscribe to the channel, if you've been getting the alerts, this stock obviously just totally made the whole week. And some of you should be done. Hell, everyone should probably pay for their training course at Cyber University just on MLGO. Here's a stock for some of you that had not seen. Ran from $5 in the morning, and this was at 9:30. And then it got very nasty. It was had some nasty shakes. But then we know that the 10:30, we're on from 9:30 to 10:30, and then 10:30 was in program trading. And I said, listen, keep an eye on the 10:30 time frame. You might get program trading kicks in around 10:30. Sure enough, it went from $6 all the way to a whopping $8. That's a $2 move. Do you know what $2 is on 1,000 shares? Okay, that's $2,000. That's a $500,000 salary if you do that every day. Okay, so when everyone's always wondering, like, oh, I can't afford to trade stocks, they're too risky, or they don't move, whatever it is, I only trade options, horse crap. Just proves it right there. Then, always got to do this, right? So then we got the cyber clock. So we know the best times and worst times to trade, right? So then we go from 2 o'clock, and then all of a sudden we do the afternoon meeting, like, hey, boom, MLGO nonstop. Stock's already at 10 because it ran another $3. And look how it just kept going up and up and up and up and up, all the way up to the last. This is Lydia, this, Lydia. We always talk about this. When we always say hold to the close, look at the time frame right here. The last, actually, let me zoom in closer because it's still, you're not getting a good time right there. Okay, so here you could see it right going into the close. Boom, thing ran from $13 to a whopping $16. Just could not stop. That was just historical. That is what we say, hold to the close. So anyway, phenomenal stock. I mean, I don't know if I need to go through all the rest of them. There were a couple other ones like Boyle and Chewy. They all look pretty good. The expensive ones, Eli Lilly, we know, I'm a big fan of that. That one did well, but everyone was looking at the NVIDIA. That took a big hit yesterday, whatever it is. But that one stock paid for itself, and it was just absolutely fabulous. It was awesome. All right. So don't worry about this. Is the beauty part about being a trader. Every day is a new adventure. Every day there's new stocks. Every day we're going to go fishing. There is so much fish in that ocean, okay, that when we look in the stock market, there are 25,000 stocks that move every day, okay? But there's only 5 that are the most active, and you know where you hear them, fresh here at Cyber University. So what's moving this morning, what you say? Let's go to our crystal ball, which is the top 20 list, all right? So everyone got their pen and paper ready? Everybody ready to start going down the list? Let's get this party started, all right? So for some of you that are on social media, you probably missed out because, we start trading at 8 o'clock, 7:30 in the morning Eastern time, which you're more than welcome to join us. All you got to do is take that little QR code, scan that one on the top left-hand corner, and you're in there. You're good. All right. So that's that. But for everyone else, let's go through the list and see what we can find. And don't worry, because whatever we find, there's always going to be more when the market opens up. So the biggest percentage gainer right now is the stock VLCN. Now, I looked at it and I didn't see anything super spectacular about it. It does got some good iceberg orders that I found that are moving pretty good. I see some orders out here at $6.50, $7, $7.50, $8. So you could see the AIs are starting to kick in, which technically, I'm calling them AIs from now on. I mean, we call them algorithms, program trading, but you want to know what that is? That's all automation. That's AI. So anyway, here you can see it right there. Those are your orders right there. So, but the thing is, it's not really moving that much. So I'm putting on the B list, even though it is a good mover, and it is a big percentage gainer up at 60%. Now, the LRHC, on the other hand, this one is moving a hell of a lot nicer. So this one is on top of the list right here as of right now, LRHC. And this one right here, we're getting some really nice moves. Let me show you what we got going on over here. So you can see there was a ladder effect that started kicking in. Big order for 24,000, showed a $1.80. You got about 28,000 right now at 255 right now. But look at the size of the green balls. Okay, that means there's a lot of transactions going off on the ask. People are buying. You could see there in the time and sales, green, 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 cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. People want to buy it. Okay, so a lot of you also remember this stock. We traded this stock not too long ago. This was a 79-cent stock. And then within 2 days, it ran to a high around 290. So it was a little bit of a short squeeze. She was picking up right now. Nice stock right on the list. Another one. You all remember this one too. KAVL. This is the other one that we traded. We traded back in April. It ran from $2 to $9. Yes, that did happen. Okay. We traded back in the middle of June. It ran from $1.90, shot up all the way to $8. Yes, that did happen. Okay. Now the question is it going to do it the same thing? Well, we're going to find out, because as of right now, I see that there's a 104,000 share buyer at $1.10. All right. So first of all, it's number 3 on the big percentage gainers out of the 25,000 stocks that trade in the entire market. So that's on the watch list. This one right here, good volume, 1.2 million. Spread's a little big, tier size a little small. Not super excited about this one, but it is Tuesday, and we know Tuesday is hump day, and hump day is always a good trading day. This one's a new IPO. We're going to pass on that one because we're not going to get any good trading data. ENVX moving up pretty decently, which you already know about. Oh, here's another one popped up. 9. This stock has just been an absolute great swing trade. Okay. It has been kind of hard to day trade. You could see it right here. It does get a little spotty, but this stock has become, one of those day trades, and now became one of those big swing trades. Where is the resistance? You know what? You just broke through the roof. You know what I mean? And if you're a student of ours, you know what happens when you break through the roof. There is no resistance, right? So we got a good move on that one too. What else we got going on over here? BT. Oh, cheap little stock. Nice spread. Big buyer out here. Let me go see what he's doing out there. Is that on ARCA? Okay, looks like more of a New York stock. When we see ARCA show up. All right, so we got a lot of buyers hovering here. Let me just show you what we got going on right here. See right there? We got 54,000, 60,000, 35,000, right around there. So it looks like we're going to have a little big resistance levels hovering. It looks like I already tested there, but we're going to have some tough times getting just below $3, but it's not bad. BT might be good for some beginner traders, some newbies here that just started out. BTAI, that one got crushed. We're going to pass on that one. All right, we're down to 10%. We're done there. Losers, anything on a good short list right now? Anything we could short? CD, this one keeps making new lows. Not looking too good right there. Ugly spread, though. MLGO, we know why that's on the big loser list. That was the big winner from yesterday. Big short squeeze on that. Govex was actually a good stock yesterday. I forgot to mention that one. Yeah, that one we had a pretty good early in the morning. Govex was pretty nice. This one has been a pretty good day trade also. It's been a good swing trade. That was another one that we had yesterday that moved pretty well. That one ran from like $1.60 to $3. Forgot to mention that one. Sometimes there's just so many stocks that we just can't get, I keep forgetting all of them. But we did definitely had that one. New York Stock Exchange doesn't look like anything's there. Losers, nothing there. NVIDIA's got the biggest volume leader right now. NVD, what else we got here? WVE. This one was a big spike. What else we got here? And I want to check the most active, what we got here. That one you already know about. That one you already know about. This one you already know about. This one we already know about. Yeah, the oldest stuff we know about every one of these. What's this one? Remember Halo? That was awesome. Remember that stock back in February? Ran from like $1.60, ran to about $100. Yeah, we were there. We done it, lived it. Fun. Don't worry about it. There's gonna be another one. Let's go on Apple. Apple's coming back a little bit. All right, so we got a little bit of a move in the market. Bitcoin made a little bit of comeback, took a big hit yesterday. Dow futures is down 40. S&Ps, did back off yesterday, and so did the Dow. So, we had that big rally, but we came up, but we end up closing up a little bit lower. All right, so that pretty much does it right there. Anything I'm missing, cyber traders? Anything else? Yeah, that's the news on RGS. Oops. That one, the problem with this one right here, it looks like an IPO. An IPO. It looks like a penny stock. See a time in sales? When they get a lot of those colors, I don't know what the story with this is, why it didn't show up. Share trading high after the company announced that it entered into a new senior security credit facility. We'll put it on a watch list. RGS. Let me check and see if there's any orders out there. I don't know why it didn't show up on my my level 4. My big percentage gainers and losers. I'm just loading up right now. I'm getting data. All right, so we got orders in here. Okay, all right, we're good. We're good. It looks like it's going to be pretty volatile, though. All right, looks like it's going to be a pretty volatile stock, but pretty big-ass move on that one. All right, so let's get ready for the market. Open up, everyone. Anyone on social media, anything I'm missing I did not call out? All right, now a couple of things, couple of quick announcements. Traders Talk, 11 o'clock today. We're going to be broadcasting live on social media, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and ring that bell. If you're on YouTube or if you're watching any of our channels, make sure you subscribe to it. For all of you students, we got phase 1. That's going to start at 3 o'clock today. So for all you students, make sure you basically get into that class. If you want to know more about it, talk to Education Advisor CTU. Remember, you got to learn before you can earn to be good in this trading business, right? That's how, finding these stocks is the easy part. The hard part is controlling those losses. Remember, we always kind of preach that. And then I will be on a podcast today, Winning Edge at 12. We'll broadcast that too. So if anybody want to listen in, we'll have that on our podcast channel. So I'm going to be we got 2 podcasts going on. We're going to have that one tomorrow too. So looking forward to that. So let's get ready for the market open up. We're going to have about 15 minutes. We're going to take a quick break. We'll be back here at 9:30. Once again, on social media, anyone out there, you're more than happy to join us. Just take your phone, scan that QR code in top left-hand corner. You can join our trading room. We'll be here all day. Or we'll see you back here at 11 for Traders Talk. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. Trade safe. And remember, don't get cocky, all right? Good luck, everybody.